What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel Blush Rush by Farzana. Today I'll be doing a quick makeup look which is mainly for moms because from my experience I understand how difficult it is to get ready when you have a toddler running around the house. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. It really helps support the channel. Now let's start the video. I'm not going to apply my moisturizer now. You'll see why, because there is a technique I'll show you. But first thing I'll do is to do my eyebrows. So for this I'm going to use this brow pencil. One is by Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz and another one is by Morphe. I'm going to apply the Morphe. I have to brush my brows upward. This helps me to find the line that I'll mark. I'm going to do the same thing from upward and follow my brow line. That's it. That's the mark we want. Taking my Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil, I'm going to refill my brow. I'm going to brush my brow. Now with the help of a concealer, I'm going to conceal my eyebrow. For that, I need a flat brush like this and concealer. You can use any concealer. Make the line and then bring it down. And here, make the line and bring it upward. Now I'm going to take a shadow brush just to blend it. That's it. This is how you can do your eyebrows quickly. Because for everyday, we don't need that dramatic eyebrows. We need something soft, right? I'll be back after doing this eyebrow.
A few moments later.
I'm back and I did my eyebrows. Okay, now I'll be doing my eyeshadow, and for that I'm going to use this Wizard palette. You can see all those colors are matte colors. You can use any palette which has kind of this natural matte colors. First thing first, I'm going to apply the concealer on top of my eyelid so that my eyeshadow will pop.
I believe I can fly.
Now blend it. I'm not going to apply any setting powder to set it. The first color I'll be taking is this one. Now let's start. I'll look down so that I can see my crease. I'm going to apply it right on the corner. It's the translucent shade, so it's very natural. Now the next color I'll be taking is a deeper one with a smaller brush. I'll take this one. And then I'll take the first brush and going to blend it. Now I'm going to take this white color and going to apply it on my lid. And with the smaller brush and the deeper color, I'm going to blend on the corner. Now I'll take an angle brush and going to apply the black color from this palette as my eyeliner. This is the black color. It will give a very smoked out effect, like natural smoky wing eyeliner. I'm taking this brush and going to blend the corner. Then I'll apply my lashes. I'm going to use this lash. This is very natural yet dramatic. Let me show you. So this is the lash I will apply. I have applied the glue on it. Now I'm waiting so that it will dry and then I can apply my lash. Okay. Now I'll quickly do this side and then I'm going to apply some shimmer in my inner corner and brow bone. I have done my eye look, but Before applying the lash, I want to tell you something. I don't like to blow on my lashes. It's because when we blow, we keep all the germs, bacteria that we have inside our mouth right here. And then when we apply it, it seems very unhygienic. Now I'm going to apply this. Now we'll start our base. Oops, sorry, I lied to you guys because before starting the base, I have to apply highlighter and on the inner corner of my eyes and on my brow bone. So I'm taking this palette. This is by NARS, and going to take this shimmer and I'll apply. If you want to avoid shimmer, you can avoid, and then you can apply a white matte color. It will help you to open up your eyes. Just want a soft glow and we are done. Now I'm going to do my base. So before starting my base, I'm going to apply my Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe vera, herb and rose water. Okay, this is basically a rose water spray, a facial spray. I'm going to apply this on my face, okay? I have even tested. Now please dry.
Eventually.
Now I'm going to apply my moisturizer Beauties, but I'm going to mix it with my Kryolan Panstick. Yeah, this is what I was talking about, that I am not going to apply my moisturizer first. This is the trick. This is because this cream is very good. It can work like primer too. So I'm going to mix it and apply it on my face. This is it. I'm going to mix it with this brush. It will give you a glow and work like a tinted moisturizer, but a full coverage tinted moisturizer. Now I'm going to spray on my brush the same rose water and take off the rest from my hand and then dab. Make sure to dab, don't rub, okay? Now I'll take a beauty blender and blend again so that the excess makeup will come off. Just blending. I love full coverage, so I have applied this TV Panstick by Kryolan. But if you don't like full coverage, then you can apply any foundation. You can just mix it with your moisturizer and then apply. Okay, so the next step is highlighting my under eye area. So I'm going to apply my Tarte concealer to highlight. That's it. Taking my same beauty blender, I'm going to blend this. Now I'm going to apply my concealer on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, because I forget to apply. That's it. Now I'm going to apply a powder bronzer from my Panstick Opera Cosmetics palette. This will help me to set the makeup too. So I'm going to take the lighter shade from here. This is the shade. And now with this brush I'm going to apply. I'm going to start right from my hairline. I'm not going to apply any contour color. You know the difference between bronzer and contour, right? Bronzer is to make your face look sun-kissed, like giving you a tan, bronzy look, which I like. And we use contour to make the shadow of our features. I don't want to contour because this is my everyday look. I'm going to apply this color again for my nose contour. You know the difference between bronzer and contour, right? I'm not going to apply any contour color. Yes, bronzer for contouring. How do I look? I'm going to apply the mascara, which is by MAC Cosmetics. It is the Extended Play Lash. First, I'm going to apply this on my bottom lashes. Must be careful when you apply this because I don't want to ruin my base. This mascara is so good. Just look at my eyelashes. They are looking too big now. See the difference between my two lashes? Now I'm going to apply a white pencil. This is by NYX on my waterline. You must be thinking why I'm holding this beauty blender. It's because I don't want to mess my base. So I'm just holding it like this, and with the help of this beauty blender, I'm marking my waterline. Now I will apply a little bit of highlighter from the same palette. No, not this one, sorry. From the same palette by NARS. The same one I applied here. I'm going to apply this color underneath my lashes. So this is a brown color. Just right on the corner. Like this. I'm not going to apply any blush for this look because I love it this way. Simple, dewy, bronzy look. But now I'm going to apply my lip liner. It's by NYX Cosmetics and the shade is Alabama. And then the lipstick, which is by KKW, is the Nude 3. So let's do it. That's it. This is the finished look. Now I'm going to apply my Fake Spray, which is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This look actually takes like 10 to 15 minutes to do. And if you like this look, please give a thumbs up. And if you want me to do some other kind of look that you like, please comment below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. It really helps support the channel. Until then, next time, bye.